Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best leave-in treatment for dry, damaged hair. The K18 Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask. If you've been struggling with brittle, over-processed hair, or have been dealing with damage from bleach, color, chemicals, or heat, this is the product you've been waiting for. K18 works on a molecular level to repair your hair, reversing damage in just 4 minutes. It doesn't just mask the problem. It treats it by repairing the bonds in your hair that have been broken down by styling and chemical treatments. This is all thanks to K18 peptide, a revolutionary ingredient that targets multiple types of bonds within the hair structure to restore strength, softness, and bounce. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or constantly exposed to heat, this leave-in mask works wonders by repairing it from the inside out. What makes K18 unique is its ability to provide these results without the need for conditioners or deep treatments. After shampooing and towel drying your hair, you simply apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 mask, massage it in, and leave it in for 4 minutes. That's it. No rinsing, no waiting hours for results. The magic happens in those 4 minutes, giving you healthier, smoother, and more manageable hair in a fraction of the time. It's important to note that this is not just a quick fix. The K18 mask offers long-lasting results, visibly improving your hair's appearance and feel after each use. It's perfect for anyone who regularly colors their hair or uses styling tools that can cause damage over time. And since it's designed for at-home use, it offers professional-grade results without the need to visit a salon. For those who want a simple, effective, and time-saving solution to hair repair, K18 is a game-changer. If you're ready to say goodbye to damaged hair and hello to healthier, stronger strands, then give the K18 Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask a try today. Trust me, your hair will thank you. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.